So the second part of the fivefold teaching of Dawa Janse, its mind is empty. So basically the second line is called mind is empty. So basically that is the answer of question, what is the mind? Because first part was vision is a mind, then we found that vision is a mind. There's nothing solid vision there out there. But next question is, what is a mind? So therefore the answer is mind is empty. So that is simply an intellectual question and intellectual answer. But that, how does that question applies to myself in our life? How does that answer make sense in experience, on an experiential level to oneself, so that it becomes a foundation or cause for next development? So that is important to be aware of, to know. So as an exercise, as a practice of this will be, of course, there's no way to do the second part of the practice unless you did the first part of the practice. So those you haven't done, strongly recommend to do the first part. Now, if you have done the first part already, which is saying, so vision of pain, vision of negative emotions, vision of fear, having that inner vision, saying what is that? Just clearly you realize nothing is solid there, out there, it's just my mind. Now, specifically this moment, when you realize that, you ask this, what is in my mind? Where is my mind? Where it's coming from? Where it's staying? Where it's going? Does it have a specific color, shape, location, any consistency? Just ask this question. But not so much intellectual asking question, just internally look as a senses observe, not thought analysis. As senses observe. Look with your awareness, non-conceptual awareness, look at it. Where is my mind? Where it's coming from? Where it's staying? Where it's going? Just you look internally, look closer, 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 and it happens the same thing. That fear, that pain, that the ego, dissipates. One after another, they all just dissipates again, same way as before, like a cloud dissipating, dissolving in a sky. Why these clouds are dissolving in the sky? Because here the subtle wind of your inner awareness is blowing toward that ego, toward that fear, toward that pain. And because of that wind, these inner clouds of ego and pain are dissipating in inner vast sky. Gradually, slowly they dissipate. And what do you find? You find another big discovery of opening, a new dimension, openness. You experience internally. What do you feel? You feel just so much like a release, freedom, a peace, a possibility in that space. Only way it's going to happen when you learn how to directly observe. In another word, how to non-conceptually observe without thoughts. Very much like how senses observe. This case, you're observing the mind, not the vision. In the second practice, you're observing a mind, not the vision. In the first practice, you're observing the vision, not the mind. You observe, 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 it dissipates. Now, then it really feels like a complete, like 100% opening, because the first practice when you did, it feels like the vision of fear has dissolved. Second observation, second part of the practice, it feels like the fear itself has dissolved. The pain itself has dissolved. So, ability to do that again and again, so you feel this full experience of openness. And what do you do in that moment? Same as before, you rest in that inner openness, that inner vastness, without elaborating anything, without analyzing, without judging it, just simply rest in that inner vastness where you're feeling some sense of peace without your fear and pain. And it's not just a fear or pain, the fear and pain that you are having this particular moment in your life. And this is the medicine for that pain and that fear. This will not only help you to heal your own fear and pain, it will also help you to heal collective pain and collective fears that we share with our family members, that we share with our fellow friends, and then also in a sense of country or global sense of collective fear that we have. It will help for sure. Immediate people that you are very emotionally very tied to, it will help them too, because any moment when you feel openness, it affecting all the others who are related to you. So the second part of the practice is very much, question is, what is the mind? And experiencing that mind is empty. So any given moment, mind is always clear. So just think about this for the last thing. No matter how painful you are, no matter how fearful you are, no matter how confusion you feel, just realize any given moment, if you look directly to your mind, those clouds will dissolve and you will find your inner peace, inner opening. Any given moment, they are always there, and you have the door. You just have to look the right direction in the right way.